Hi friends, I hope you all are fine. This is M. Aishwarya and J. Lavanya, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to explain about motivation from the subject of HRM. Motivation. The term motivation has been derived from the word motive. Motive is the need, want, or desire that includes a person to work. It means the process of inducing and instigating the subordinate to put in their best. Next, definition. W.G. Scott denotes the motivation is the process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goals. It means thus motivation is the process by which a need or desire is aroused and a psychological force within our mindset has in the motion to fulfill our needs and desires. Next, we are going to see the nature and characteristics of motivation. The following salient features of motivation explain its nature. First one, motivation is the psychological concept. The needs of person influence his behavior. The subordinate whose needs have been fully satisfied feels mentally relieved. Even a words of appreciation from the manager may provide greater mental satisfaction to an employee and it will induce him to work harder. Second one, motivation is always total and non piecemeal. It means that a person cannot be motivated in installments and employee will not motivated if some of his needs are partly satisfied. For example, if an employee awaits a transfer to his native place and is also due to get his promotion, he will not feel motivated if only one of the benefits is sanctioned. Third, motivated may be financial or non financial. An employee may be motivated through a financial or non financial incentives, financial or monetary benefits, and non financial incentives or non monetary benefits. Financial incentives or the monetary benefits provided to an employee in the form of higher pay, bonus, commission, etc. Non financial incentives are the non monetary benefits such as greater decision making authority, better destination. Fourth, method of motivation may be positive as well as negative. Many people think that the method of motivation should be always be positive. It may be even in negative. Many of them think that motivation is be positive. Sometimes it may be negative. The method of positive is higher salary range, greater authority, or better destination. The method of motivation is negative in the following cases. Issue of memo to worker showing negligence, pay cut, imposing fines or penalties for violating rules and regulations in the work panel. Issue of memo is disobeying the rules or regulations. They will give a memo. Payout, lack of leave, imposing fines and penalties is they are not following the rules and regulations properly. Fifth one, motivation is a continuous process. Man is a wanting animal. Wanting is needs. It is a continuous process. As soon as one need is satisfied, another appears in its place. This is an unending process. It is a continuous process because an individual has unlimited wants and needs. As soon as the existing need is fulfilled, another wants will appear. Hence, motivation should be go continuously. Importance of motivation. Motivating helps to change from negative attitude to positive attitude. Motivation improves performance level of employees. Help in achieving the organization goals. Motivation creates supportive work environment. With motivation, employee turnovers are less because the satisfied employees never leave the job. Thank you.